In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use an electronic tuner. Let's do this. Hi, I'm Tomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success, where I help you to learn guitar and, most importantly, to love the journey. And there's nothing that can help you more to love the journey than a tuned guitar. There are many ways to get your guitar in tune. There's a manual approach that we call fifth fret method. There's electronic tuners that sit on the floor, pitchfork. But we're going to use today a digital tuner that's a clip-on. I'm using my TC Electronic digital tuner. Now, there are many tuners like this, and they all operate pretty much the same way. Now, to do this right, you have to know the names of the strings of the guitar. Let me quickly just go through that, but I'm hoping you've taken time to learn those already. The low string, the big fat one, is called an E. It's actually low because it's low in pitch, not physically low. The next one is A, also known as the fifth string. Next to that is the D string. Fourth string, third string, that's the G. Then comes B, the second string. And finally, high E, the first and thinnest string. Okay, now let's put this into practice. I've got my clip-on tuner right here, but we're also going to look at a bigger version. Same idea, just so you can see it easier. To the left, it'll be red, that's flat. To the right is red, will be sharp. And right green means I'm on that note. But we got to make sure we get the right notes. Let's start off with the low E string, the sixth string. It says I'm in tune, but I'm going to flatten it so you can see me actually get it in tune. Went to E flat. Now I got to work past E flat to E. And green, that means I'm on. It does tend to jump around. You're looking for a little pause on the note you want. A, oh, same thing, I'm a little flat there. Keep going to A. Notice I hit not too hard and not too soft. Nice middle. Got it. Here's the D string. I'll flatten it. Flatten it makes it a C sharp. Past C sharp. And we made it, D. Let's go on to the next note. G, oh, let's go G sharp, or A flat, same note. I'm going to lower that, get back to G a little below, and then bring it up to G. There we are. And the B string. Flat, B flat. Got it. And finally the high E. And we're in tune. Let's check it out. Sounds good. Just a couple more tips. Be patient. It takes time and practice to really do this quickly and efficiently. But the more you do it, the easier it gets. Tuners are fussy, and you'll find that some of them jump around more than others. Generally speaking, the more expensive ones jump around a little bit less. But there are some things you can do. Make sure that you don't hit two strings at once. It confuses the tuner. And the other thing is, again, keep that volume fairly consistent and not too loud and too soft. If your tuner seems to be getting crazy, there's a couple of things it could be. One is when they get a low battery, you'll find that they just can't seem to decide when they're in tune. You might want to check the battery out. And the other thing is, if you're way out of tune, a lot of times it can't read, or it's reading notes that are nowhere near what you're looking for. You might want to check your guitar if it's way out of tune. If your little 2-year-old was playing with the tuning keys or something, you might want to check it with a piano or with another guitar. At least hear if it's in the ballpark, close to being in tune. Once you get it near the note, it's much easier. I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. If you did, please let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please go ahead. I'd love to have you. And click that little bell so you don't miss a thing. I have a quick question. What's your favorite digital tuner? I have a few of my favorites, but I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comment section and read other people's comments and see what they have to say. Don't forget, this is all about loving your guitar learning journey. Life's short, and give it your best.